Think about the last thing you bought without a second thought. A snack? A shampoo? A soft drink? Products like these are purchased billions of times every single day. And getting them to the right shelf at the right moment is one of the most complex operations in global business. Welcome to the world of fast-moving consumer goods. The FMCG sector encompasses some of the most recognized brands on the planet. Companies producing packaged foods, beverages, personal care essentials, and household products consumed daily by billions. This industry thrives on volume, speed, and distribution reach, operating through vast supply chains that span traditional grocery stores, modern supermarkets, and high-growth e-commerce platforms. Innovation, branding, and consumer connection are the forces that separate leaders from followers in this fiercely competitive space. In a sector where consumer preferences shift overnight, data analytics is the competitive edge that keeps FMCG companies ahead. Sales data reveals what's moving and what isn't. Consumer behavior analysis uncovers the motivations behind every purchase decision. Demand forecasting ensures shelves are never empty and warehouses never overstocked. Promotional analytics measures campaign impact precisely, and dynamic pricing tools help companies maximize revenue across every channel, every season. Digital transformation is rewriting the rules of FMCG at every level. Real-time retail analytics delivers instant visibility into what consumers are choosing and why. Artificial intelligence powers hyper-personalized marketing campaigns that resonate with individual shoppers. Supply chain platforms provide end-to-end transparency from factory floor to front door. And social listening tools capture brand sentiment as it happens, helping companies stay relevant in a world where consumer opinion moves faster than any product. The future of fast-moving consumer goods belongs to those who can decode data into brand strategy and business growth. Sales analytics manager, consumer insights analyst, marketing analytics specialist, supply chain data analyst, category intelligence consultant. These are the roles shaping how the world's most beloved brands connect with consumers. If you want a career where your insights influence what billions of people buy, this is your opportunity. Start building those skills with Analytics Learners. Learn analytics. Launch your career.